Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes weekly webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today you guys, I've got an exclusive from Hunkydory Crafts. This is their project magazine and also features the cottage garden kit with a fantastic cutting die. So this is a great collection, and we have a giveaway card that we're doing, this fantastic easel card that my friend Debbie made using all of these products. I can't wait to show you more, so come play with us. All right, so let's take a little flip through this magazine. As I said, this is an exclusive to Hunkydory Crafts. It's produced by Hunkydory, and this one says it's got 100 makes in it, 100 ideas, and it's also a free gift with the cottage garden collection, which I'll go through next. So let's go through this quickly here. All these amazing card ideas. Okay, this is what comes with the cottage garden collection. And then the front cards here are all just ideas using the kit that comes with this. So we're gonna show you some more card ideas too. Beautiful, gives you instructions. Okay, and then we're getting into other various products from Hunkydory and then other card ideas. But what I found is that Hunkydory kind of repeats shapes like the scallop label, the circle, things like that. So you can take a card idea and easily translate it to the kit that you have. So this is very, very useful for those of you who love Hunkydory. This is a great one for you. So well done. Okay, beautiful use of these gorgeous cutting dies. Lots of masculine card ideas. Okay. Just going quickly, you guys, so we can get through this. You can always pause the computer and look. Okay, oh, getting down here. Wow, we're really getting all the seasons with the Valentine. Lots of birthday ideas. Love it. That's really cool. I'm having a great time flipping through this. Okay, and the last one. There we go. Oh, cool, some templates. All right, so now let's take a look. You've got this two-piece happy birthday cutting die right here, and this is what it looks like when it's cut out. This is the little background piece that you can use or not, or you can glue this piece right there for a little background shadow mat there. All right, and let's take a look at what we've got here, the cottage garden kit. So beautiful with the gold foiling. Oh, look at the beautiful little pink gingham, it's so cute. Lots of borders here. I would even cut more borders from the background on this side. Very cute. And got a nice arch, and I love the little wheelbarrow with the square shape. Got a little birdhouse and a little gardening shed. All right, and then we've got these pieces, which are a lightweight paper, okay? They're shiny and double-sided. That pink gingham again, the blue, and then we're getting to some adorable scorables, cardstock, which is gorgeous. Everything coordinates. This is such a beautiful one. You can just grab it, take it to a crop, take it with you when you're traveling. Grab some cards, grab some adhesive, and you're all set. Okay, so let's get to this one. Debbie made this gorgeous card. This is 6.5 by 5 inches. This is our giveaway card. So how that works is we're really trying to promote our YouTube channel, our Paper Wishes YouTube channel. So if you are watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode channel, all you would need to do is look at that little YouTube icon right there at the bottom of the video and click on that, and it'll take you to YouTube and our Paper Wishes channel. Or you could just go to YouTube and then you could search Paper Wishes, in which case we would love you to subscribe. And then when you go to this video, watch the video, like, comment, and be a subscriber. Then we're going to wait about 5 days, and then we're going to reply to one of the comments. We will use the YouTube username of the winner. We will say, congratulations, YouTube user blank, and then give you instructions on how to claim your card. It's really nice for you to have that notification bell turned on. It's up at the right-hand corner. You click that on, and you'll then know if you are a winner. Also, we will also announce it on the community tab along with a photo of the card, and that's also on YouTube. So there's 2 notifications for each card winner. You guys have been doing really great about claiming your cards lately, so that's awesome. All right, so this is an easel card. Love that. That is so cute. What a great giveaway. So what Debbie did on this card was, it's a 5-inch wide card, so at 2.5 inches, she scored that right there, all right? And then she covered her card right here with pieces of the gingham paper right here. And then, let's see, let's find which background paper she used, which adorable scoreable. All right, she used this one right here, okay? And then actually she just glued this one right over the card, scored it as well, so it would bend nicely. And then right on the edge here, she put a length of, this is straight line, gold straight line dazzle stickers, and she used the wide one right there. Put that right over the fold, and then she went ahead and she punched out these scalloped images and then foam taped them only right here. Oops, as you can see, she didn't have to use her dazzle sticker all the way across. And then foam taped them just to the bottom edge. And then she also die cut the surround piece right here, and then die cut the happy birthday from the gold Miri cardstock right here, and foam taped that there as well. Just really, really beautiful. And then the inside, she used that pink gingham paper and then foam taped that border right there, and that's so that you have something to prop your card up on. And then a cute little tag and another dazzle sticker right here at the bottom. Great job, Debbie. And then also, I should mention, a little pink gingham bow from our light pink ribbon set. All right, so the next card we've got here, this is a fantastic gatefold card. Let's look at that. Maybe we can zoom out a little bit. So, beautiful gatefold card, perfect, thank you. And this is a 5 by 6.5 inch card. And what Debbie did with this one, you open up the card and you score this at 2.5 inches and at 2.5 inches, because these are 5-inch wide panels. And then you just fold that to the center, right? And then you want to cover the inside back of the card to cover up that original fold that's right there, all right? And then she also added panels to the inside, left and right. And then there's that happy birthday, but this time she cut it from purple Miri cardstock. And then here she took the outer frame and then this inside piece, and she foam taped the outer frame just on the right hand side and then this part on the left hand side, so that they just went together like this. Foam taped your little greeting right here, and then a little purple ribbon from our purple ribbon collection. And then also using those straight line dazzles here and here. See those? Just brings that gold in so nicely. All right, great job, Debbie. All right, so this next one, these are tent fold cards. The tent fold cards are just longer and a little wider. And I measured one of these last time. I need to write this down so I remember the measurements. So let's take a look. These are 3 7/8, just under 4 inches, and about 8 1/4 inches. And then what Debbie did with this is she did something a little different. This is how they look, and then they open from the top. So kind of like a longer, wider slimline card. So what she did was she took her paper trimmer and she cut from the front of the card, from the center, she cut a strip just from the center. That strip that she cut out is 1 1/4 inches wide. all right? And then she covered each one of the remaining little strips with beautiful purple lavender plaid paper. Let's find that one. Come on, plaid. Here it is. Okay, putting that right up there. Yep, just fits so nicely on there. And then she took that beautiful arch and she foam taped the arch right here, and then the centerpiece she foam taped right there. That keeps these two pieces together, okay? Just sort of reconstructing it that way. Put a border here and a border here and her little greeting, and on the inside put a little greeting as well. That is really awesome. I love that card. All right. So for this last one, you guys, I thought we would put one together. So I noticed that there's just so many little scraps left over. So I took my 5 by 6.5 inch card, and I had another little scrap of the pink gingham left over. I'm just going to use our Cosmic Shimmer glue. And what I did with the pink gingham initially is I just cut it a little smaller than my card and centered it on the card here. This beautiful striped paper as well. And then I'm going to put this gingham right down the center. And then you guys, we had this one left over, okay, from when Debbie made her cards. This one was not used. It was an inner frame. And so I took a little heart vellum and I just glued that to the back of this frame. And I put a little bit of foam tape. I can see I'm going to need a little bit more. And we're just going to put little foam tape there and there. Oops. My foam tape is not taping. There we go. And we're just going to make sure the hearts are going in the right direction. I'm going to put that right there. Okay, and then we've got this little piece. Did you guys ever wound up with a lot of extra of these little middle pieces? Well, that piece we can put right here or right here. I think I like it on point. Maybe like right there. Okay. Just going to glue that piece down. Just layering some frame. Okay, and then we've got this cute little piece left over. Not sure where I'll use that one. If I put it like, nah. All right, then we've got this one. Remember, you have lots of these little pieces, and I end up using them on the insides of cards, but I wanted to show you how cute they can make a card focal. So I've got foam tape on the back of that one. Just gonna put that one right there. And then we've got a cute little bow. That right there. And then we've got some cute little flowers. These are adorable. They're new for us. They're my little birdie handmade flowers, and these are sort of a little teal color. I'll link those down below. I thought, how cute to add those. They're just adorable. We'll just put some right around here. A couple different shades of blue. You just really hardly need any glue to attach these. They're so delicate. Some more. All right, still layering. Come on, flowers, get back in there. There we go. And then finally, I have this last little piece, Have a Relaxing Day. Could add that one. Happy Birthday. That's not going to quite fit unless I go like that. I kind of do like that one. So let's add that. I love that you can use the little matte piece with this one or not. It gives it two very different looks. And then I'm just going to run it kind of up on the mat a little bit. Right, and then on the inside of the card, let's just take that little extra piece, that right across there. And then we've got our little have a relaxing day piece. We'll put that right there. And then we're going to trim that. Okay. And let's put even a little extra flower there. So cute. All right. There, I wanted to show you guys how you can kind of use your leftover bits and pieces and get lots more cards from this kit too. So you guys, this is a great collection. Don't forget, this one is our giveaway that Debbie made. Awesome job. There we go. Don't forget, the money saver is right over there. If you're watching us on our YouTube channel, just look below the video in the description box, and there's a link there that'll take you right to this Paper Wishes webisode page. You can get in on all the great deals. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. I will see you in the next one.